So, time for another unboxing. Got the new amp just a second ago. I mean, the box is still warmer. I just got it in from outside, so tear into it here. I made a point in my last video of not telling you guys what I went with yet, and so now you're gonna get to find out. Now then, we have a box inside of a box because I flipped the other box upside down. So now then, bet you can't tell just from the bottom of the box, can you? Let's see here. English output power wattage RMS. Doesn't say. That's weird. Now then, ready for this? Oh, look, I'm still not showing you guys yet. Sonic electronic packing slip where I ordered it from them. Put this box off. Now then, you guys ready for this? Yes, sir. Hifonics Brutus 1700.1D. Should work out pretty well with my Obsidians. I know I'm gonna get a lot of heat for running Hifonics, but you know what? It'll be alright. All Mike Sonics monoblock amplifiers are running that way, but yeah, I already know that. See, that's why I bought it, because it's one stable. Got with a sticker and everything. Don't know where I'm gonna put that at, but it will end up on the teeth at some point. And then we have a box inside of a box inside of a box. And we're gonna just slice it up right here. I can do what I'm gonna do. Get rid of this box. Oh, it still smells new. A little mashed down in the corner there, but it should still be fine. Slice the tape here. And here we are. Got corners in here. Let's see. This is some foam. Allen keys for turning it, and a Cat 5 cable for the HFR1, which is quite useful, and I'm still going to use it even though I'm using the LC1 for my main remote. I'm still going to use this because I don't know how well you'll be able to see it here. Let me open up this little bag. I'm still going to use it because you'll see, if I can hold it there, on this side, right there, it has a clipping indicator. And now granted, it might not be the most accurate in the world, but it will give you some idea of when you're clipping your amp out. So that's another bonus. Will be if I can ever get it back in the bag. Alright, so there's that. Cat 5 cable, Allen keys, stuff like that. We'll just put that over here for now. And we'll get out the pieces. Nothing on this side, is there? No, there's more foam. Oh, she's heavy. Move that card out of the way. The sticker and that wiring sheet over in it. And it's weird. And there's a beast. You think it's got some fairly sharp edges on it now. Let's go ahead and warn anybody. Ooh. That's nice. Big, beefy. It's like the warranty sticker's already been scratched on it on one side, but it's no big deal. Zero gauge inputs. Let me give you guys a shot of those. 0 gauge inputs. I believe it's got 8 gauge speaker outputs, but I'm going to be running 12 gauge on it for now. Until I decide to pick up some 8 gauge and reline the box. So yeah, there's that. So that side. Flip it around here. You got an input and output. Got a balanced DIN connector, looks like. The remote, bass EQ, subsonic filter, which is useful. Low pass filter, which is also useful. Phase, which I don't plan on using, but could still be needed. Gain, which I also don't plan on using. That's why I went with the 1700, so I wouldn't have to adjust my gain a whole lot. Because I wanted to get something that would technically overpower them, so I could run my gain really low and make sure I'm feeding them a good clean signal. Just needs to be heat sinks on here though.